Dear friends, welcome to my channel 1 to 10 Education. Today's topic is 10 lines speech on Human Rights Day. Number 1 line. Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. Number 2 line. Today I am here to speak about Human Rights Day. Number 3. Human Rights Day is celebrated on 10th December every year. Number 4. This day reminds us that all people are equal. Number 5. Everyone has the right to live safely and freely. Number 6. We should treat others with respect and kindness. Number 7. Human rights give us freedom to speak, learn, and grow. Number 8. No one should face injustice or unfair treatment. Number 9. It is our duty to protect each other's rights. Number 10. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day. Dear friends, if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe for more videos.